We're going to go ahead and take a look at how Wolfram Alpha works. So right over here, we are on the main page, and something that is important to know is right here on this main page is the free version. So they also have the pro version, which I will talk about later on in this presentation, but right now we're just going to focus on the free version of it. So as you can see, it has a variety of different domains that you can choose from mathematics, science and technology, society and culture, and everyday life. Now, what I want to do is I want to view more topics underneath the society and culture section. So right over here, I'm going to click on more topics. And something that we do focus a lot on with our organization is looking at different institutions. Let's say we want to focus on New York University, for example, and look at the types of the degrees that they have to offer, the population of students, what their graduation rate is. So I'm going to go ahead and click right over here on this equal sign. And immediately it'll populate the information that is about New York University. It gives me the basic information here, as well as the logo, the seal, the location. Here it talks about the enrollment of the students. Now, I mentioned that I want to look at the degrees that are awarded. So right over here, it talks about the 24 academic degrees, and then it tells you exactly according to what school year those estimations are, as well as the annual degrees awarded by field. So we can see that architecture, they had 129, master's 110, doctorate 2, and then other. And this is really great. It has everything here in one section, and you can even enlarge it. But with the enlargement, it does come with the GoPro Now, so that would be a feature that you can enable. But right now, we're just kind of focusing on this, and you can even see the related queries that can be made for these types of options. But this is really wonderful. As you can see, it shows everything clearly. I'm not having to dig around and seeing multiple sources or having to figure out where to find things. It's all here within one spot. So this really is such a wonderful thing to have. And as you see, it has so many different options of the things that you can search. So this is so beneficial for so many of our students, our staff as well, just to be able to assist. And I just love that it has these step-by-step solutions as well for the mathematics, which is so essential when it comes to students that do need those visuals. And as you see, it has the input, the result, number line, visual representation. So our learners that have various learning preferences can benefit from this, and even related queries for this.